Hello, greetings of the day, Namaste. Welcoming all our children to today's activity arcade. I am Ms. Dipti Ranka. I am an early years educator working with Birla Open Minds. Today's activity arcade is based on the theme of the Independence Day. Children, do you all know why do we celebrate this Independence Day? Okay, let me see who knows the answer. And if not, today I will show you a short video on why do we celebrate Independence Day. And even we are going to do some fun activity on Independence Day. So the first activity what we are doing today is making of a tri-color paper fan. Isn't that exciting, a tri-color paper fan? Yes. So the things required for making a tri-color paper fan are some tri-color papers, that is saffron, white and green, and even a blue color paper for the Ashoka Chakra, some glue, scissor, and even some ice cream sticks. And after that, the second activity what we are doing is palm painting. Palm painting is so much fun. And for the palm painting, we require paints, we require a fork, and we even require a white color sheet. So, are we ready, children? So, after the two activities, I am going to show you a small video on why do we celebrate this Independence Day. So, children, are you all excited? And so am I. Let's get started. Okay, children. So once again, the things what are required to make a tri-color paper fan are some tri-colored sheets, Fevicol, a pencil, a scissor, and some ice cream sticks. So are we ready? Should we get started? Okay, so we will start. Okay, so we'll start folding the paper like this. Just fold it a little and then turn it around and again fold it. And again we turn it around and fold it. And in the same way we have to keep folding until we reach the end. Okay. Turn, fold, turn and fold, turn and fold, turn and fold. Okay, so we are ready folding with the white paper. Now, take the paper and just fold it from the center. Just do it the way I am doing it. And press it a little, press it. Okay, can you see this? Now, I'll take a Fevicol and seal it. You can use a Fevicol, you can use some glue also. Okay, now we take the other paper and we fold it in the same way as we did it for the white paper. Just fold it, turn it around and fold it again. Again turn it around and fold it. Fold it until we reach the end of the paper. Turn, fold, turn, fold, turn, fold. We are reaching to the end of the paper, and here we are done. And again now we'll take the center and fold it from the center. Just press it properly and seal it with Fevicol or any glue. Okay. Just press it so it is sealed well. Okay, and now let's go with the next paper. That is the orange paper. In the same way as we did it for the white and the green paper. Fold, turn, fold. We have to fold it. We have to fold it in the same way as we did it to a green and a white paper. We have to fold it until we reach the end. Okay, and here we are done folding with the orange paper also. Now again in the same way, fold it from the center. Press it little hard. And in the same way, just stick it with a glue or a Fevicol. The inside of the paper, just stick it with a glue or a Fevicol. And here, all the three colors are done. Now, we just take one side of the saffron folding paper to the other side of the white folding paper and we stick it. Okay, and here just press it a little bit so it is stuck properly and it won't come out easily. Now again the other side of the white paper, we'll put some glue and stick it to one side of the green one. And here we go. Okay, and just press this little tightly so it won't come out and give it 2 minutes till the glue dries. Okay, and now we take the ice cream sticks. We take 2 ice cream sticks and stick it with Fevicol. Okay, like this. And just remove the extra Fevicol. And the second stick on the other side. Okay, here we go. And now let it dry for 2 minutes so the Fevicol seals up everything. Till then, we'll make the Ashoka Chakra. We'll take a blue paper and make a small circle on it. and cut the circle with the scissor. Okay, we are done. And let's stick this in the center. This, and look at this amazing tricolor paper fan. Doesn't this paper fan look amazing? Just wait it for 2 minutes until it dries completely. Otherwise, you can just put a rubber band here to seal it so it sticks properly to each and every part of it. Wow, doesn't this fan look amazing? Okay, so now we are doing the second activity, that is palm painting. Again, I'll tell you the things what you require is orange color paint, green color paint, some blue color paint and a fork. Are we ready? Let's get started. Children, don't forget to wear your apron since this is a messy painting. You have to put orange color paint on your hands. And just everywhere, take a brush. With the help of the brush you can paint your palm properly. Everywhere you should paint it. And like this, can you see how I'm doing it? Okay, it's almost done, almost done. Now we take the palm and just on the top, just be careful. Okay, and it goes one palm, two palms, and again we'll take little more paint. Now we take the other hand and we put green color paint on it. Just paint it properly. Almost done, bachas. Just a minute, we are almost coming to getting it done. Okay, and we take the palm and slowly put it here. One palm, put a second one, and again we'll put a little more paint. Okay. Just take care the water is, the color is not very runny and it is little thick. Okay. Wash your hands properly once you are done. Now take a fork and put blue color paint on it. Dip it in blue color, or you can just with the help of a brush, and we make Ashoka Chakra. Again dip it again back in blue color. Okay. Again I'm putting some more paint. And we are done. We are done making palm painting India's flag. Isn't it nice? Now let it dry completely. Okay? So children, let's see a video where we will come to know why do we celebrate Independence Day and what is the importance of Independence Day. Let's get started. Hello children. So today we are going to talk about Independence Day. Once Gauri and her grandfather was walking in the park. Grandfather said, "Today is a very special day for our country." Gauri asked, "Why, Grandpa?" Grandfather replied, "Today is Independence Day." Gauri was thinking, "What is this Independence Day?" Grandfather said, "On this day, India got freedom." Gauri was very excited to know what do we do on Independence Day. Children, 15th August 1947, India got its independence. So, every 15 August, we celebrate Independence Day. And do you know how we do that? We celebrate Independence Day by hoisting our national flag. Yes, this is the national flag of India. And on Independence Day, we hoist our national flag and we feel proud of our country. You know, a country has so many diversities. Diversities? What is meant by diversities? There are many states with different cultures, languages, and religion. So, India is a country of many diversities, and we all stay together united, cause we know united we stand and divided we fall. Right? So children, let us take a pledge to remain united and be a responsible citizen of our country. Isn't it children? So let's take a pledge. We will be a responsible citizen of our country. Happy Independence Day to all. So children, I am so happy seeing all my lovely children doing art activity with me. We shall be coming soon with more activity arcades to help our children be engaged. Till then, all my lovely children, be safe at home, listen to your teachers, your online schools, and we shall meet you soon with another activity arcade. Till then, bye-bye. See you. Thank you.